Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Please stand to honor our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Boys and girls, you may be seated. Let's get to our birthday book. Okay, let's see. For today, guess what? No birthdays today. But we do have a belated birthday to Andy in our 4th grade. Happy birthday, Andy. Andy came to our school for his first day yesterday, and it was his birthday. Happy birthday, Andy. And tomorrow, there are no birthdays either. Guess what? None on Sunday. Wow. But Monday, reminder, Monday we have no school. It's Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So, happy birthday on Monday to Monica Riyad in our 2nd grade. For today, boys and girls, the lunch is pizza, egg chef salad, grilled cheese, or bagel lunch. Okay, so we have been studying Australia, and yesterday we really started to learn about some of the animals. Today we're going to learn about another animal from Australia that is only found in Australia. Now, I tried to have one, like a real picture, a photo of a real wombat, I should have said. But we're having some trouble with our printer, and so I'll have that for you on Tuesday. Instead, I'm going to show you what a wombat looks like. They're very cute little animals. They look like a small bear. They walk on all 4 legs, but they are marsupials, so they have a pouch just like kangaroos. And their babies are called joeys. Joey, small j. Not like capital J if somebody's name was Joseph and we called him Joey. They are short and stocky. That means they're sort of plump. And they, like I said, they're short. They are nocturnal. Now, we've learned in the past what nocturnal means, but what nocturnal, for those of you who don't know what that means, it means that they sleep during the day and they come out at night. They also are herbivores. What do we know about herbivores? They are plant eaters. So they eat plants, and they're only found in Australia. They're called wombats, and we'll see some more about them on Tuesday. Now, our flag for today, our new flag reveal, is this one. This is the flag of Colombia. The 3 primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. So that is a flag that represents many of our students, and of course this is going to be hanging in our hallways soon. For the Get Smart Show today, we have a project on jellyfish. Take a look. Jellyfish. And boys and girls, if you haven't seen the APR hallway, the projects that have been featured on the Get Smart Show are in the APR hallway. This project was done by Sebastian. So he says some fun facts about jellyfish are there are over 400 kinds of jellyfish. So 400 different kinds of jellyfish. Sometimes, I love this fun fact, listen carefully. Sometimes jellyfish live in groups called swarms. Okay, so what is the difference between a school of fish and a swarm of jellyfish? Why would it be called a swarm instead of a group or a school or a colony? What do we know about a swarm? What else do we call a swarm when there's many of them. If you're thinking like me right now, you're thinking bees. We call that a swarm of bees. What do bees do if there's a swarm? They sting. Guess what jellyfish can do? They can sting you. And so, again, their name in a group usually has to do with their behavior in a group. Okay. And a swarm usually comes quickly, aggressively, and it's not expected. Whereas a school is much more predictable. All right. Moon jellyfish stay in shallow waters near land, and some jellyfish move deep into the water. So here we have a couple of types. This is a flower hat jellyfish. Let me see if I can get that closer so you can see it definitely looks like a flower hat. Here's a crown. Again, their names are because of how they appear. This is an upside down jellyfish right here. I hope you can see that because I can't see you. And the purple striped. There we go. So nice work, Sebastian. And jellyfish is a new project for us. We haven't had a project on jellyfish before. So it's time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So today's Mighty Kind moment of the day is coming from one of our translators. And so this is a translator who speaks French, also Creole. And yesterday we were talking about the whole idea that each of us is different, and that's what makes it so beautiful and unique. So here's the spin on that. You ready? Yes. Our difference makes us beautiful. But what makes us most beautiful is how we are the same. Because inside, we all have a heart and the ability to be kind and compassionate and friendly, loving, caring. So the things on the inside are those things that bring out our beauty on the outside. I love that. And it's so true. It's all the stuff inside that make the outside so wonderful. So when you take all the things that we have that are the same and put them together with all of our differences, each one of us has beauty beyond measure of our own, but also that we can share with others. So think about that. It's all those things that are the same that help make what's on the outside, the difference, so beautiful. Now, one thing for sure, I talked about if everybody was the same, how boring would that be? One of the things that comes from the inside is our personality. Imagine if everybody's personality was the same. How boring would that be? Again, it's our insides, the things that we all have in common that make us so beautiful. So think about that. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minds. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.